ahead and use our trim tool. And on the upper portion of the bumper, there's a retainer clip right here. We're going to pop this inside, lift up the button, and we'll get underneath and remove this retainer clip. Next, we're going to use a T30 Torx bit and remove the 3 Torx bit screws. There's 2 here, and then there's 1 on the upper back section right over here. I want to go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Once those are out, go ahead and set those aside. So 2 places you want to pay attention to. One is right where the bumper is here, and this is going to be flexible and movable. We're going to start at the back corner here though, and we're going to lift up on this tab. This tab right here has a little lock button that goes into the fender. So you just want to lift up and release this little tab from the fender. The headlamp is now loose. I'm going to lift up, and you're going to hear a little pop. And right along the front section here, there is a little lip that goes of the headlamp that goes underneath the bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and work this up and out. And pull your headlamp out and away. Under the front corner of the lamp assembly, there is a bulb. You can go ahead and grab the whole unit, twist, pull that bulb out, and set it down. This one here has a little press tab on it. We're going to go ahead and press in and wiggle the connector and separate that like so. This has little retainer clips on it. You can use a pick or a flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and get right behind here. Go ahead and work that off. This is just a retainer to hold the wiring harness to the lamp assembly itself. There's a second retainer clip right here. Go ahead and work that off. And then that's going to give us access to this light here. You can remove this clip like this, or you can twist the bulb and pop that out. Either way, you now go ahead and remove the lamp. So now go ahead and install our harness. You want to line that up, press it on, you'll hear it click. Now you want to take your retainer clips, and we're just going to press those right back on to where we had them before. And take that connector, line that up, press it on, and you hear it click. We'll come down to our lower light here. I'll line this up, press it in, and we're going to turn that clockwise until it locks into place. You want to go ahead and you want to pay attention to this white clip down below. On the bottom of your headlamp, you're going to have a mounting tab here. It's a pretty bold mounting tab here. And when you go to set the lamp in, the base of this is going to fit into this white clip right here, and it'll actually snap into place. So you'll be able to feel that pop right on in. Now the front corner of our headlamp right here has a lip on it. So we have to kind of slide that in and manipulate the light in underneath the bumper. So work that in. Here we go. And then we're going to slide this up into place, working the headlamp. Might take a couple tries to get this lined up, but it'll slide in eventually like that. Then once that lines up, you can look up top and you're going to see the screw holes here. And then you're going to come back up on the tail section right here. We're going to line this up, press that down into place. Then you want to go ahead and just come to the top of the lamp and press down. That should have popped into place here with that clip on the bottom. Now let's go ahead and install our screws. Let's go ahead and install our screws, and we'll just snug those down. We'll install our bumper push pin here. There you have it.